What now? What are your expectations going into these reports?
Scott, you're absolutely right to point that out. I am absolutely killing it. Anyway, Alphabet, while it's an important report and it is a fast-growing mega cap stock at this point, there's really not that much variability in their earnings from quarter to quarter. You very rarely see huge misses, and you very rarely see huge beats. And I think that's just indicative of the way that this business has been run. They tend to be very conservative with their guidance. They manage to just beat it. If you look at the history of earnings disappointments or earnings excitement around Alphabet, it really just isn't there. So I expect yet another reliable quarter. Big highlights should come out of YouTube. Very interested to hear how they talk, if at all, about the self-driving Waymo business, the taxis, and whatever else that they want to mention around recent, lawsuits, legislation. Like, those are the swing factors for Alphabet, but I don't expect us to be shocked by what they have to say.
Steph, it's been a monster this year, up 31% year to date. That raises the bar. You've got to believe a lot of news is already in, and you say you're a little nervous.
I'm always a little
Steph,
nervous,
don't worry.
right? But yeah,
I'm
up
here
31%. Oh, that's so nice to know, Josh. Thank you. Up 31%, yeah, and it's the best FANG year to date after lagging last year, right, and lagging the last couple of years. I think the quarter's going to be fine. Digital ad, we're seeing the recovery. I think you're going to continue to see double-digit growth there. YouTube and search absolutely continue to see an improvement in momentum. Here's my worry. Operating leverage. The last two quarters, they crushed it on margins and operating leverage as a result, and earnings. They benefited $2 billion last year from the absence of travel and entertainment, right? So they saved $2 billion last year, which helped their margins by 40 basis points. So now as we reopen, while I'm happy about travel search and all of that, I do worry about the operating leverage potential. That being said, it's a great story. I'm not going to trade around this position. It is one of my largest positions. But back to earnings, 179 companies this week alone, 141 companies next week. By the end of next week, we're going to have 85% of the S&P 500 having reported earnings. So you're right. It is a huge, huge couple of weeks, and it's going to be fun.
Josh, just back to you for a moment. Google's 1.5% from its 52-week high. Is this the report tonight that sets this stock on that next leg higher, blows through that number, and sets a new milestone?
It would be nice if that were the case. I just don't feel that I have any edge in terms of, first of all, how great or how mediocre this report will be, but also on how the stock will react. So historically, the way I've been with these FANG stocks, the ones that I like, if they do get killed on an earnings report, I'm more likely to react and buy rather than sell. It's been a while, though, again, just to remind everyone, it's been a while since there's been a lot of post-earnings volatility in this name. It just isn't that type of stock. And I think the main reason why, is how reliable the advertising business is.
Sure.
It's just not prone to shocks.
They can lay an egg, though, right? I mean, they have, though, in the past.
Could happen.
They've laid a big egg in the past. It's just now the environment feels like it is totally set up for the company. Jason Snipe, you own it as well. It's a reopen play. But again, stock's up 31% going into the print. You've got to believe the bar is especially high.
Without a doubt, the bar is extremely high. I think digital ad revenue is in focus for sure. I mean, we have $8.5 trillion in market cap reporting this week between the FANG names. I do think it'll be strong. I think it'll be a solid quarter like the last couple quarters that we've seen. And obviously, they've been levered slightly to the reopening trade, 10 to 15% of their revenue coming from digital ad spend. But I think it'll be strong. I think for most investors that hold it, will be happy with the report.
All right.